Hello everyone. Here we are going to continue with the chapter Cubes and Cube Root. In this video we will learn how to find the cube roots of a number by using prime factorization method. To get the cube root, very first of all we have to express the given number as the product of primes. Then we have to make the groups of triplets of the same primes, and then we have to take one factor from each triplets of prime and multiply them together, and the product so obtained is your required cube root for the given number. Now let's start with the exercise 4.2. Here we start with the first part, 12,167. So very first of all we are going to find the prime factors of this one. Here we have got all the prime factors. Now we are going to write them in the form of product. On making pair we have got only one pair of 23. Now the cube root of this number is, and here we have got the cube root of 12,167 as 23. Now let's see one more part of this one, and here we have took a number 42,875. Now we'll find the prime factors of this number, and here we have got the prime factors of this one. Now we are going to write this one in the form of products, the product of all the primes, and on writing this we have got a triplets of 5 and 7. Then we find the cube root of it by writing this in the form of the cubes, and then we're taking a one member of each cube to get 5 and 7, and finally answer we are getting as 35. Now let's see one more question, one more part of this question. Now let's see the sixth part. It is having a number 1,57,464. Very first of all we are going to find the prime factors of this number, and here we have got the prime factors of the number 1,57,464. Now we are going to write this one in the form of products. Here we have got this. Now we are going to make the triplets. After forming triplets we will go for the cube root, and here we have got this. Now we will taking one pair of all of the cubes, and you will be getting as 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, and that is equals to 54 as answer. Now let's do question number 3, second part. Here we are having minus 64 upon 1331. So first of all we are going to write this in the form of prime factors. Here I have split minus 64 as minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4, and 1331 as 11 into 11 into 11. So we can write this one in a form of cube root as, and here we have got this. Now this can be written as minus 4 by 11. Now let's see one more part of this one, 4 whole 17 upon 27. First of all we are going to write this one in a improper form, and we get this one as 125 upon 27. Now it can be written in the form of products like this, and now the cube root of this whole number will be, and here we have got 5 upon 3 as the answer, which can also be written as 1 whole 2 upon 3 in mixed form. That's all from this video. Thank you.